Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling and disabling screen rotation on iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If screen rotation is turned on when you rotate the iPad between landscape and portrait, the screen will automatically rotate. Here is how you can turn that setting on or off. Pull down from the top right of the screen to get to the control center. This icon here is the screen rotation control. If you tap it, it will disable screen rotation and stay locked in its current orientation. If you want to activate screen rotation again, then go back to the control center and turn off the screen rotation lock. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPad tips and tricks.